You never cared, no? So it's up to you. This is the consequence now. Okay, exercise 1. Let's check. Check your own, no? Later on, I'll be asking you your score. For exercise 1, we do have 10 points. Why? Because there are 10 items. Okay, I'll reveal now, right? So, I do not know if you gave your time to actually be tutored in YouTube about this Excel. I do not know. Okay? So, if you've given yourself a time, now you know how Excel works without Fibonacci our lesson, right? Okay. So last time I gave you this, right? So if there are two first terms of Fibonacci, they are 1, 1, and then the next term would be just simply adding them, no? So in Excel, you can actually look for your formula if you press F2, no? The function to F2. Okay, so you have those. And then just copy that, no? Control C, and then we say, okay, I do not know how you actually press your computer, laptop, or what, no? And then you say, enter. We're just copying that. Stephanie, lagi kang late. Stephanie. Okay, I'll take note. Stephanie, always late. Okay, Steph, 136. And then, if you notice, no, it says there that where is the golden ratio there, no? 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. The golden ratio is actually when you divide, okay, the next term, like in here, of course, it's next term. Actually, this is not the next term, no? But these are the default terms, the preceding terms, the two. So if the next term is 2, the third term, if you divide that by the preceding term, CPU that, no? Okay, so again, I'll apply. Oops. Okay, you see, if 2 is divided by 1, it's 2. 3 divided by 2, it's 1.5, no? And then so on and so forth. And then 2 and 1.5 drastically changed now, no? It becomes 1.6. So there must be something here, no? A divine one, they say. Because this Fibonacci works really in nature. And then 1.6, 1 point, okay. So if I'm going to actually increase this, okay, sige, tignan natin. Oops. I think it should be okay, and then hindi pwede. Okay, I think it should be okay like that. And then this one, yan, pare-pareho dapat. Okay, sige. I do not know if you know that, no? So it's like, ayan. Okay, notice, no? If I'm going to divide the next term with that of the preceding, 3 over 2, 5 over 3, and then 8 over 5, 13 over... Okay, likewise, laging late. On 38, Ralph, huwag laging malilate. Okay, and then 8 over 13 over 8, and then 21 over 13, and so on and so forth. You notice, no? They vary. 1.625, 1.615, 1. They vary. Okay, what do we call this ratio? That is the golden ratio. Did you get that? So that is the golden ratio. Okay, so golden ratio is basically generated with your current term over the preceding, just beside it, huh? Okay, so F3 over F2, sorry, F rather, F4 over F3, F5 over F4, F6 over F5, and so on and so forth. Okay? That is why when we say, what is this? Okay, what is this? This is not the golden ratio class, no? This is but the formula for any term in Fibonacci sequence. It's in your textbook, right? Okay, this one, no? Make it big again. That is a formula for you to be actually looking for the the n term, no? Any term in Fibonacci. Mathematicians actually derive this. I do not know how they actually manage to have this formula, no? Because arithmetic and geometric, there is derivation. But in here, it is but irrational, no? I think it's hard to be actually deriving an irrational number, no? Geometric and arithmetic, it can be easily derived. There's a pattern. Uh, the number will actually give you is a rational number, no? Okay, rational. Alam niyo ba yung rational sa irrational? Baka hindi niyo alam, ha? Okay. Is 0.3333 rational or irrational? Tingnan nga natin. Okay, sige, chat box. Yes or no lang naman. Ay, not yes or no. What is 0.333333? Okay, repeating. A rational or irrational number? Sige, let me check on you. Guys, grade 10 na kayo. Okay, don't copy, ha? Okay, sige, go. Baka sabihin nyo, hindi ko kayo ni-involve. Daldal lang ng daldal si Sir Roman. Make it fast. What is 0.333? Bakit yes? Sorry. Irrational or rational? Ana Faith. Okay. What is 0.333? A rational or irrational number? Okay, go. Okay, that's never ending, no? Okay, go. Baka tayo mag-type. Diyos ko po. Ay, takot na sila. Wala na. Is 0.333 what? A rational or irrational? Hala, paktay na tayo. Grade 10 na kayo. Okay? Baka hindi ko lang makita, no? Tingnan natin sa cellphone ko. Oh, wala pa rin sumasagot, class. Okay. Sige. Para ma-connect natin, no? Okay. Pakibilisan po, no? Aliyah Irrational. Lahat po kayo. Lahat po kayo. Abstinent ko po kayo pag wala kayong sagot. Sige. Tignan natin ano, kung paano nyo siya naintindihan yung math, no? Remember, no? If we branch out real numbers, there should be two, no? It's irrational or rational. Dalawa lang, no? Okay, baka hindi nyo naintindihan yung real numbers nyo. Naku po, grade 10 na kayo. Nung grade 7, tinuro yan sa inyo. Sige, yan. Yan ang sinasabi ko, no? Sige lang, lahat po kayo. Ano ang 0.333333 never ending yan? Walang kamatayan, forever, indefinite. Is it rational or irrational? Okay. So if chat box stops, I'll answer. Attendance nyo na yan. Okay, let's go. Why is it that it is irrational? Pili ako, ha. Okay, wait lang. Irrational muna tayo, ha? Okay, pili tayo. Parang kukunti pang sumagot. Uy, attendance nyo na yan. Tumatagal tayo sa inyo. O, sana yung iba? Wala sila, boys? Okay, sige. Bakit siya irrational? Let's go to... Ayan, si John Rain. Okay, bakit John Rain? Bakit siya irrational? Natawa siya. Okay, sige, iba na lang. Lagi na lang siya ang tinatawagan ko. Okay, bakit siya irrational? Ayan, si Veroya. Okay, Alina Venice. Is your name Alina Venice or Alina Venice? Miss Veroya? Am I correct pronouncing your name? Miss Alina, the birthday girl on Wednesday. Andyan ba siya? Okay pa. Parang ayaw niya ng recitation, no? Okay, sige. Bakit siya irrational? Aliyah Rain. Aliyah Rain.
Kasi hindi po siya pwede ma-write po as a fraction po.
As a fraction.
Opo.
Okay. It cannot be picture or it cannot be actually written as fraction. Are you sure?
Hindi po, sir.
Huh? What is 1/3?
Hindi po ako sure, sir, pero sa
Okay.
tingin ko po, it can read.
Okay. What is 1/3? Okay. Would you mind to actually all of you use your calculator? Okay. What's 1/3? 1/3. Okay. It's 0.333. That's the one I'm asking, right? Okay. So 1/3. Is it rational or irrational? Now that you have 1/3. Haname.
Sir,
Anyone?
rational.
Rational. Very good. Okay. With the word ratio, rational. It's ratio. It's a fraction. So let's go back to Aliyah Ray, no? Aliyah Ray, tama ba? It can be written as 1/3. So therefore, isn't it that it is irrational? Do you agree now? Tama, Aliyah? Okay na? Okay, rational na yan, no? 1/3? Okay, class, don't be so confused, no? Okay. If 1/3 or any number that can be written or expressed in rational, no? It's any number, and then you can actually picture it, and then we can actually have a pie, no? Draw a pie, and then say it's one, shade one, and then over three. Okay, it is rational. It's so easy, but when you actually divide it, and it becomes 0.333, that's the time, no? You have a hard time really deciding, is 0.333 really irrational? Okay. It came from 1/3, no? Okay, that's the time, no? But we all know, no? That a rational actually is expressed in terms of a ratio, no? Naintindihan? A ratio. Okay. But that ratio, meron siyang tinatawag na repeating, no? If it's repeating, it's definitely absolutely irrational. Okay, but if it's not, okay, there is no pattern in those decimal numbers. Okay, to decimal numbers, ha? Irrational yun. Naintindihan nyo? Okay. Kagaya ng, like the decimal numbers of the pi, which is 3.1416, blah, 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 blah. And then this phi that we're talking about now, right? The golden ratio, it's phi, or you call it phi, no? Others could call it phi or phi, no? Hindi siya pi, ha? Okay, phi or phi. check the decimal numbers. No, it's not repeated. Okay, unlike the 0.333 or other decimal numbers that could be repeated actually, it is irrational. No, now that phi or phi is irrational. Did you get me? Okay. Although they can be actually expressed in patterns. I'm sorry, in a fraction. No, take note of this class. Okay, sige. This now is our golden ratio, huh? This one is not golden ratio. It is but a formula that involves the golden ratio that is phi or phi, and it's giving us the term. Okay? The term, huh? Okay. Ito po yan. Okay. And then take note of this, no? Why is this irrational? I am writing it, no? Expressing it or having a numerator and denominator is a ratio. But it's irrational. Why? Because of the square root of 5, no? We all know the square root of 5 is what? Okay, square root of 5. Okay, it's but it's 2.236. Okay, it's okay. Decimal numbers is not repeated, no? Okay, it continues to be actually a different number, indefinite. So what makes this irrational is because of the square root of 5. 5, no? Okay, we all know 1 over 2 is just, but 1 half is 0.5. Okay, a 0.5. And then what else? Wala na tayong time, 151. Ako po, itong mga batang to ha, hindi alam yung rational at saka irrational ha. Sige, next time. Okay, so we're going to actually, you have done this pala, no? When you answered your exercise 1 and 2, you basically applied Excel, no? You have plenty of time to be actually doing this, no? Okay, others like Child, I think, and De La Cruz, Loyola and De La Cruz have used Excel. And the others use this, no? But I required either, no? Either. So you use this, right? Okay, you use that. And just to remind you, no? Since the textbook has rounded off, no? Your phi or your phi into this 6180.34, sorry, 0.68, mali, 0.618034, we might, not we might, but we use this now, no? Everything. Okay. Because of course, if you see the phi or the phi there, it's long, no? Indefinite po yan kasi. So we trim it like that, no? Okay, and then this one, okay, if you solve it, make sure that it should be rounded off to 6, okay? It's after the decimal point. Okay, decimal point. Should be 6. Then after that, okay? Intindihan. Okay, so okay, let's go. Check your own, no? So the number 1 in the exercise 1, it's 89. Okay, you have 1 point already. Okay? Okay, so I'm looking for F11. When I use this, it's 1, no? Okay. Oh, sira ulo kasi si sir, no? It's 89. Okay, that's the total there. Okay, so ginawa ko tong formula kong ito, no? Sarili ko, inimbento ko. Sira ulo kasi ako. Okay, nilagyan ko ng paint. So if I'm going to actually have F11, subscript 11, then my value will be 89, no? In the end. Okay, that will be your solution, huh? Okay, this is complete that I want to see there. Okay, replace everything or the phi or the phi with these numbers and then of course operate it. And then of course a minus and a negative will give you a positive. Okay, so it's a division of both positive. It will give you 89, but this should be rounded off into of course the whole number. It gives you 89. And then next, okay, number 2 will be, it's 10,946. Check your own now. Okay, again, 10,946. Lakihan natin, baka bulag yung iba. Okay, 10,946. Number 2 or 3 rather, it's 55. You're looking for F10. Okay. The other one, I'm looking for F21. Okay, F21, it's really at 10,946. It's here, no? Okay. That's number 2, huh? Oops, so 10,946. Okay, let's go now to number 3. It's 55 again. That's number 3. Number 4, it's 610. Okay, meron na kayong 4 points. Dali-dali lang. And then, you're looking for F. Okay, this is a lot, no? So if you notice, if you, if you will at this Excel, and you just have to write this one and you just use your scientific calculator, there's a lot to actually add, no? Okay, a lot of terms to be adding, no? And then you go in here. Ako po, ang dami, no? It's 63,245,986. Okay, 63,245,986. And then number 6, it is F9, it is 34. Okay, 34. So again, I'll check my formula. It's 39. Oops. Okay, it's 63,245,986. Ay, hanggang bravo ko. Okay, 245,986. Ayan. Ito kasi ay galing dun. Diyan, oh. Okay, pareho yan eh. Okay, sige. Okay, next. Number 6 again is a 34, right? That's F9. And the number 7 would be F20. It's giving you 6,765. Okay, and number 8, it is F12. Of course, it's 144. And then next, it's like 12 times 12, no? Okay. It's just a coincidence. F12 is 144. And then next, number 9 will be the F16. It's 987. And then last, okay, it will be F8. It's 21. Okay, so you have 10 points. And then we'll add the exercise number 2. Okay, so for the exercise number 2, it will be just 5 points. Okay, you listen, no? Okay. How do we actually do the 5 points? If one of these in blue is incorrect from you, okay, your work is not complete as in blue here, then no points, no? So this one means to say that number 1 is really 1 point only. And amongst 5 answers, if one is incorrect, you don't have a score. Did you get it? Okay, so number 1, it's 18, 29, 47, 76, 1, 2, 3. We make it big for you. Okay. Okay. Okay, check. 18, 29, 47, 7, 6, 1, 2, 3. One check only. Again, if one is incorrect, no point. Okay? Okay, number 2. 1 point only, huh? So it means to say, for every number, it is but 0.20, no? 0.20 times 5, it's 1 point. Okay, pero wala nga eh, no? So useless is 0.20. Negative 9, negative 16, negative 25, negative 41, and negative 66 are your answers. And then next, 16, 26, 42, 68, 110. Anong nangyari dito sa taong to? 2 o'clock na. Bagkal. Anong nangyari sa iyo, Miles? Okay,
Sir,
16,
I was
26,
sleeping po.
42,
Sorry po.
68, 110. And then, you see it, class? Saan niyo po mag-check? Okay, and then number 4, 51, 82, 133 to 15, 348. And then, sige, I'll just maximum or minimize this so you can see all the answers. 8, 13, 21, 34, and 55. Okay. So I'm getting the total score for exercise 1 and 2. It's 15 points. Now, the twist is, if you corrected your own work, okay, and it's incorrect, the way you actually correct it, you'll be deducted, okay? Okay. I told you that if one is wrong here, then you cannot have 1 point. Oh, one lang, okay? Or 2 or 3, of course. 1 is the minimum. You give yourself a point. If all of them are correct. If you corrected your own with incorrect way of checking, then, okay, I'll deduct. Okay? Times 2 of it. Nakuha. Okay, sige. So, can I have the scores now? Are you ready to have the scores? To announce the scores to me? Okay, let's go. Tana tayo dito. Parang mawawala yun. Okay na. Oops, syempre hindi ko i-reveal yung password ko. Okay, assignment 6, right? Okay, give me your score. Tignan natin kung sino nagpasa. Okay, I'm worrying, Uh, I'm worrying for Nyampong, no? Nakakatuwa yung sagot niya. Sige, tignan natin. Score, Amiel.
Sir, wait. I don't think I did mine wrong. I think I did mine wrong.
It's incorrect, right? 0. I've seen yours, okay?
Yeah.
And then, John Rain.
15 po.
Okay, and then, make sure it's 15, ha? Okay, Anna Faith.
14 po, sir.
Okay, 14. How about Natasha, the first one to actually pass?
15 po.
Okay, very good. Okay. So if not, I'm not calling your name, you don't have this drill or assignment, huh? Okay, and then Catherine.